hunters. This is your final message. I trust that you are all aware of the value this item holds. Now that you have accepted the terms of the agreement, you will be sent the final coordinates of the packages. That's right. There are actually 2 packages. I figure this will make things a bit more interesting. Don't be too late. And remember, 1 device, 1 winner. Good luck.
You know, there's this theory about the Mobius. It's a twist in the fabric of space where time becomes a loop, and unfortunately for you, well, you just happen to be stuck in one of those times.
What are you talking about? Wait, a twist in... What are you doing? If you leave it here, someone else...
Someone else will find it. Time's up.
Wait, no! No.
The device. Hand it over.
Please don't shoot.
Give me the case.
Look, it's gonna sound crazy, but this thing, it's special, okay? I don't know what it does, but...
Oh, I know. I just get the distinct impression that you haven't done this before.
I know this is worth a lot of money. This could help me.
I don't have time for this.
Hold on! There's 2 of them. You know, what if I help you find the other one?
Did you not hear the message? It said 1 device, 1 winner. Okay? It doesn't matter if there's 2 of them. They're going to make sure that there is only 1.
But that doesn't make any sense. You know, why give us the option of having 2 of them if they only want 1?
Honestly, I don't give a damn. These things, they're never about why. They're always about how much.
This thing, it altered things somehow. I don't know, but 1 minute you were here, and then you weren't.
You know, there's this theory about the Mobius. It's a twist in the fabric of space where time becomes a loop, and unfortunately for you, you just happen to be stuck in one of those times.
Talking about? Wait, a twisted? What are you doing? If you leave it here,
Someone else will find it.
No.
Time's
No,
up.
no.